Bonjour from the 13th. Waiting on Uber to take me to Gare de Lyon. I'm going down to Marseille for 5 nights, never been there. Street art, fair bit of street art amongst other things. I think here's my Uber. Gare de Lyon, silly o'clock. Right, I've got just over an hour. I say it's a 6:03 to Marseille. There are 3 halls. The main ones are Hall 1 and Hall 2. You would normally get trained from. In addition, though, confusingly, there's also Hall 3, which is like an underground bit. Now, my app says it goes from Hall 1, whereas the email says it was recommended to go to Hall 3. So I don't know which one's which. I'm going to do Hall 1 and we'll take it from there. Love an early start. As does everybody else here by the looks of their faces. Right, let's see if I can find 603. This is Hall 1. So up there, 603. That is the one, Hall 1. Marseille, Saint Charles, or Charles. My 603 stops at Avignon, Aix-en-Provence and Marseille. So I've only got 2 stops between here and Marseille. Interestingly, 9 minutes before there's another Marseille service. Same thing, same stops. I kind of think then my service could be slightly busy given there's 2 trains. I'll just explain about the 2 TGV services. So you've got an OUIGO there and a OUIGO there. So that is more premier and that is more budget. That's probably the simplest way of putting it. There is no restaurant car or anything on the OUIGO, the budget one, whereas you do have some kind of service on the OUIGO. But they're both high speed. Paid, I think it was €62 each way to Marseille. So you know that's budget. It's fine. It takes me there. That's all I need. It is actually a double-decker, of which I have one of the top ones, which comes with a plug, I believe. That's the other thing. I don't think there's Wi-Fi on the budget one, whereas there is on the OUIGO.
Il y a le monsieur là.
Merci.
Il avance.
Bonjour. Merci.
Vous avez des cartes de l'emploi?
I don't know what the system was there. My barcode, QR code didn't scan, so I had to be manually scanned instead. Right, these are really long trains. Carriage 11, and I'm on the upper deck.
That was 1.
As he said, that's 1. I'm at 11. This is probably why they say it's recommended for 11 to 18, which must be the second half of the train, to go via Hall 3, because it's underground Hall 3 here. You'll probably come up further down there. This is probably coming up from Hall 3, that escalator there. We're halfway now, train-wise. Of course, I thought it would be number sequence the second half of the train. That's 18. So I think it's literally going to be the last carriage is number 11. Well, actually, it's going to be the first carriage, isn't it? We are going to be in Marseille first. Up we go.
Fermeture automatique des portes, attention au départ. Correspondance, les voies n'étant pas encore indiquées, je vous invite à vous référer aux affichages à fond bleu en gare de Marseille-Saint-Charles. Mesdames et messieurs, au nom de toute l'équipe OUIGO, je vous souhaite à toutes et à tous une excellente journée. Prochain arrêt terminus Marseille-Saint-Charles. Mesdames et messieurs, en gare de Marseille-Saint-Charles, nous sommes reçus voie H. La descente du train s'effectuera sur le côté droit dans le sens de la marche. Merci.
We've arrived. At 9:25, 1 minute late. Bonjour Marseille. Marseille Saint-Charles. Or Charles. Well, it's 9:30. I don't check in until 3 o'clock. So there's some mooching to do, I think, today with this bag before I check in.